Mixing Kleen Kote is easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. What is my application ratio? Check the uses and mixing guide to determine the right ratio for your application. Each ratio has been tested and verified for the applications listed. Step 2. How do I calculate my mix ratio? Use the following simple steps to calculate your ratio, or you can use the mixing guide chart to see our calculations for commonly used containers and ratios. To calculate your ratio, you will first need to find the total number of ounces or gallons your mixing container holds and what your ratio is. Next, you will find the total number of mixing parts by taking the number of parts of Kleen Kote, this is always 1 part, and adding it to the number of parts of water. So now that we know the total mixing parts, you can calculate the amount of Kleen Kote needed. Take the total number of ounces of your container and divide it by the total mixing parts. You now have how much Kleen Kote you need. To find out how much water you need, subtract the amount of Kleen Kote needed from your mixing container measurement. You now know how much Kleen Kote and water you will need. Step 3. Mixing Kleen Kote. So now that you know how much Kleen Kote and how much water you will need, you are ready to mix. Make sure your mixing container is clean and free of any other chemicals or soaps. Add half the required water to the container. Now add the full amount of Kleen Kote needed. Add the rest of the required water. Now that you have mixed your Kleen Kote, you're ready to apply. For usage-specific instructions, tips, and more, visit us at www.forprogressive.com/cleancoat tips.